Alright, hey guys, RC here, and today this is going to be, I guess a repair video, tune-up video. I don't know how I would label it, but essentially, I had a customer send me a Galaxy 9 DX 979. Said that it's not doing any power. If it is, very little. So, just kind of wanted to just make a video just to kind of show how the radio came in here, and then will be a part 2 video of when it's done, you know, when it's rocking and rolling. Anyways, here it is, and let's just get right to it. 50 watt scale. This is average power. Radio is keyed up. Does about 1.5 to 2 bird. What a monster. Let's go to peak. Does about 5 peak. Alright, so let's go to lower sideband. This is still peak. Alright, let's go to upward. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, just kind of wanted to show, you know, well, the customer, so he knows, you know, hey, this is how the radio, you know, how it showed up here. And obviously he knew. So just kind of wanted to show before and after. So anyways, I'll be right back. We'll see you. Hey guys, we're back and the radio is fixed. Wesley, we got your radio done for you. Essentially it came in for repair, and as y'all saw in the first part of the video, it was only doing like 2 watts average and 5 watts peak all the way around. So we fixed the problem. Here was the little culprits. Weak funnels and a bad regulator. What happens, the regulator pretty much shorted out the funnels, and you know, the rest is history. So we put a new regulator in it, put 2 new funnels, tuned it up, and we'll see how she goes. So anyways, we'll go to here. Anyways, alright, so we set the dead key, set to be, well, hold on a second. Okay, so you're all the way down, 3/4 of a watt. We'll turn all the way up. You got a 5 watt dead key. So we'll go all the way back down. We're going to show you the average power swing. About 13, 14 average. Turn the carrier all the way back up. Audio. Same thing, about 13, 14 average. Let's go down to 2 watts. You know, if you get that right voice tone, I mean, it'll do more. You know, just talking into it, audio, hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You know, you get about 11, 12 average, which is good for this radio. We'll go to peak. Anyways, audio, hello, audio. About 39, almost 40 watts peak. Let's go to lower sideband. We'll show peak power. Audio, hello, audio. About 28 peak. And just go to upper sideband. Hello, audio. About 28 peak. You know, this radio is really set up to talk on AM. So, but with the peak power the way it is, you know, when you run radios and you know, when you talk sideband on them, that does put more of a strain on them. So with me keeping it down, you know, I don't expect no failures with this radio whatsoever. So, anyways, guys, that's it. Radio's done, and anyways, Wesley, I appreciate the business, and ship it out to you back tomorrow. Y'all take it easy. We'll catch y'all another time. Bye bye bye.